Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of waking up with aches and pains from a subpar mattress? Well, I've got the solution for you, introducing the Avenco folding mattress topper. This thing is a game changer. I mean, who wouldn't want to upgrade their sleeping experience with a super comfy and top-rated mattress topper? The Avenco folding mattress topper is a queen-size wonder that's been flying off the shelves, and it's easy to see why. It's well-reviewed and a ton of customers have already made the switch. So what makes this mattress topper so special? Well, for starters, it's got comfort foam that provides strong support and helps regulate temperature, so you'll never feel too hot or too cold. It's like sleeping on a cloud. The non-slip bottom is also a genius feature. It keeps the mattress in place even on smooth floors or tiles, no more slipping and sliding around in the middle of the night. And when you fold it up, it's like a compact little package, easy to store and transport. I've been using the Avenco folding mattress topper for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a revelation. My back no longer aches in the morning and I feel more refreshed and rejuvenated. It's perfect for guest rooms, or even just as a temporary solution when you're traveling. The best part is, it's so easy to set up and take down, no fuss no muss. If you're looking to upgrade your sleeping experience, look no further than the Avenco folding mattress topper. Trust me, you won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.